I'd like to introduce you to the Bladerunner 2049 Retinal Eye Scanner Kit. We're going to show you these parts here. This is an entire deluxe kit. This is the open version of the scanner. So I'll start here with the body. This is a solid cast, seamless piece. Actually, the only seam line is here at the bottom, and you can just scrape it off with a fingernail and it just completely disappears. Otherwise, this thing is completely seamless. Very nice pressure cast piece. Here is the scanner housing. I'm not sure what to call this. This is just the top of it. Next are the buttons. Tiny little guys. These need a tiny bit of trimming to make them shorter and then a little thinner to fit inside of the groove right here. So you'll trim these down and these fit inside of that groove. Okay, there's your 3 buttons. For the open version, this is the riser piece. This is going to fit here on top like that. There's a little lens piece, and that lives right about there on this riser. This is the little brace. Again, these are really tiny little parts. And this brace is going to live about in that orientation on top of the body and mounted to that top piece. Let's take a look at these graphics. There's 2 tiny little white markings, and that's accomplished with water slide decals. Very hard to see, and they're very tiny. But you can see in here there's a circle and 2 tiny squares. Water slide white decals. You also have, for the open version, little circuit board details and a display detail. The kit also includes this little display card and an acrylic display stand. Also included in the kit is a very thin piece of laser cut clear acrylic. This blue is painter's tape, just protecting the surface while the laser is cutting this guy out. So it's a very thin clear acrylic. For the open version, you'll put your display graphic here, and then the piece of clear window goes right on top of there. A closed version will just have this blacked out, and then you'll put the clear piece of acrylic right there. And this fits right into the bezel. There is an entire mini, we call this the mini VK retinal scanner, Bladerunner 2049. Keep your eyes peeled for the tutorial coming soon. Thanks for watching.